Hello everyone. Today we have a very important topic at hand, which is about communication. The topic is, do you think our body language and tone of voice is more important than the actual words you say? Let's call Ayush for the same. Hello Ayush. So what do you think about the topic at hand today?
Yes, I really do think people understand the feelings better than the words. The way you say something often tell the real story.
That is absolutely true. I agree to it. Could you give me an example for the same with a tone of voice?
Sure. If you say I am sorry, but you are laughing while you are say it, giving a sorry
Yeah.
should give a scarcity and a giggling tone.
Right,
Nobody believe are you saying true. Sorry. So the laughing tone cancel the sorry word.
Hmm, that is actually true. That does happen. So now, if I talk about body language, let's say that I tell you I'm happy, but I have a frown on my face. What would you infer from that?
I believe the frown, a sad face, show me you are probably not happy. Our body language, our face, and how we stand is much harder
Right.
to hide than our words.
Yeah. That is true. Okay. So if the words and body signal are not matching, what would you be inclined to trust?
Um, Most of the time, yes. Think about someone who is nervous.
Right.
They might say, "I feel totally fine,"
Yeah.
but they are asking
Yeah.
or in nervous and they shaking their legs
Yeah.
and sweating. We know they are not true. Their body telling is the truth.
Correct. So basically, go with the body, not the word.
Yeah.
Okay. But what about the important instructions? If I am telling someone to do a task, like, do the exact words matter the most or no? Right?
Okay. The words are important
Yeah.
for the detail,
Right.
but the tone is important for the energy. If already give instruction in a very low, boring voice, no one will be excited.
Yeah. Right.
So, to do the work
Yes.
and the tone give the work important. Yeah,
Hmm.
the important work is the tone.
Yeah, I would totally agree with you on that. That's a good point. And so for our walk the talk activity today,
Yeah.
which is having a good conversation, what do you think is the best non-verbal thing we should be careful about?
Uh, we need to show we are listening when you are talking. Talking. Sorry.
Yeah.
I must look at your eye and not to so I understand means we should make eye contact and not to hear weird and
Right.
the simple action make the conversation strong.
That is absolutely true. Those are things to take care for. That makes perfect sense. So, listening with your body basically is just as important as listening with your ears.
Yeah.
Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I think we have concluded this. And thank you for a very clear and good discussion. Thank you.